We have a choice in this derby. We can accept the politics that breed division and conflict and cynicism. We could tackle my literacy as if that had any effect on my ability to party. We could show videos of me intoxicated and passed out on the ground, talk about them every day from now until the derby, and make the only question was whether or not the infield thinks that partying like an animal will somehow hinder my performance as a CPO. We can do that. But if we do, I can tell you that in the next derby, we'll be talking about some other distraction, and another one, and nothing will change. That is one option. Or, at this derby, we can come together and say, not this time. This derby we want to talk about the media, the fact that they value greed and vanity rather than the true derby experience, which only happens in the infield. This time we want to reject the cynicism that tells us that the derby does receive national attention, that the celebrities and millionaires are on TV every day, and that our efforts are useless. The infield is not the millionaire's row. This is our party. The infield will not be ignored in this country anymore. Not this time.